Hi everyone, welcome back to the NUA YouTube channel. My name is Kerenza Oswald. I'm a Year 2 Fashion Communication Promotion student at Norwich University of the Arts, and today I'm going to be going along to the Interchange sessions. So the Interchange is a 2-day long event organised by the university, and it takes place in all the different buildings across campus. It has a series of creative workshops and mindset and positivity workshops that are all arranged to sort of enhance our university experience and just to sort of dip your toe into a different area. See, I do fashion communication and promotion, and today I'm doing a type and composition workshop, which isn't something that I directly do on my course, but I know that it's going to be beneficial to me. I'm also doing a worry and stress management workshop because we're all students. Who doesn't need that when you've got deadlines coming up? That is what I'm doing today, and you are coming along with me.
There's a bunch of different resources included at the back. There's in the green box, there's a magazine to cut out of the collage, and there's paint and crayons. I want it to be as messy as possible. Just experiment, have fun. Don't be precious about the final outcome. This is literally about experiment.
Feedback from people around it, so we're really feeling quite good about what we're doing.